In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to another page on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. You can easily access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on your Wix dashboard. Once you're at the editor, just look for the specific element that you wish to have a link. So for example, I have here a text, an image, and a button. Now we're going to try to add 3 different links for these 3 elements. So we're going to start with a text. Just select the text right here. Then in these options, just look for this icon right here that says link. Go ahead and click that. Now this will open a list of options for us. It can link to a specific page within our website, a web address, a section or anchor, the top or bottom of a page, a document, an email, a phone number, and a lightbox. For this example, we're going to stick with a specific web address. So I'm just going to copy a random link right here from Pinterest, paste the URL right here, click done, and then we're going to do the same for this image. Again, look for the link icon. And then for this web address, I'm going to go with link to. Paste it right here. Click done. And then lastly, for the button, click link. Select web address. And then copy the third link. Just like that. Click done. Now we're going to check if these links will head to their specific web pages. So before we can check this, make sure to click on Save. Then click on Publish Now. Once that's done, we're just going to check our website. We're going to pull it up and then click the first one. This is the text. It led us to this Pinterest page right here. Now the image, we're going to click this and see it led us to a different page. Now lastly, we're going to click the button and see that it leads us to a different page. And that's about it. That's how you link to another page on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.